my name is Haley, and I will be teaching you about multiplication. If you know how to add, then you can do multiplication. Let me explain. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is the same as 2 times 4. Let me show you what I mean. Check this out. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 2 times 3. 5 plus 5 equals 5 times 2 is the same as 5 times 2. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is the same as 4 times 3. 3 plus 3 is the same as 3 times 2. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is the same as 5 times 3. Now, let me show you some other tips that might help multiplication be easier for you. It's a good idea to memorize these tips. Did you know anything that is multiplied by 0 is 0? Check this out. 99 million times 0 is 0.
Yay!
Did you know that anything multiplied by 1 is itself? Let me show you. Look. 5,999,000 equals times 1 equals 5,999,999.
Okay.
Here are some more strategies for you. For multiplication, anything times 2 means double the number being multiplied by 2. If you know your doubles, then you will be an expert at the 2's. Now let's learn about the 3's. Anything multiplied by 3, you double and then add 1 group. Let me show you what I mean. These are some examples. 56 times 3 equals 56 times 2 plus 56 equals 168. 14 times 3 equals 14 times 2 plus 40 plus 14 equals 40. 21 plus 3 equals 21 times 2 plus 21 equals 63. Let's learn a trick for the 4's. Anything multiplied by 4, you double and double again. 41 times 4 equals 21 times 2 plus 21 times 2 equals 84. 36 times 4 equals 36 times 2 plus 36 times 2 equals 144. 43 times 4 equals 43 times 2 plus 43 times 2 equals 172. If you know how to count by 5s, the 5s will be easy peasy. Anything multiplied by 5, just skip count by 5. Here are some examples. 14 times 5 equals 70. 13 times 5 is 65. 12 times 5 equals 60. It's time for 6 now. Pay attention. This one can feel tricky. The one is you multiplying by 5 and then you add 1 group. Examples. Here are some examples. 7 times 6 equals 7 times 5 plus 7 equals 42. 30 times 6 equals 30 times 5 plus 30 equals 210. 12 times 6 equals 12 times 5 plus 20 equals 120. 16 times 6 equals 16 times 5 plus 16 equals 96.
And if ever you need to pause this video to look at the rule a little closer, feel free to pause it so that you can try the rule on your own.
Time for sevens. The rule is anything multiplied by 7. You multiply by 5, then you double the group. If you know how to skip count by 5s and you know your doubles, you will be in great shape. Here are some examples. 7 times 4 equals 4 times 5 plus 4 equals 28. 7 times 9 equals 9 times 5 plus 9 equals 63. 7 times 3 equals 3 times 5 plus 3 equals 21. Let's learn about the 8s. The rule is double, 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 and double. Example, 30 times 8 equals 30 times 2 plus 30 times 2 plus 30 times 2 plus 30 times 2 equals 24. 4 times 8 equals 4 times 2 plus 4 times 2 plus 4 times 2 plus 4 times 2 equals 32. 6 times 8 equals 6 times 2 plus 6 times 2 plus 6 times 2 plus 6 times 2 equals 48. Almost done. Let's learn the trick for the 9s. The rule is see the picture below and listen up. So, first you put your 10 fingers up and then what the picture says, you put your third finger down. The left side is how many 10s and the right side is the 1s. So there's 22 fingers on the left side and 7 fingers on the right side. So the answer is 27. You're almost done. We won the 9s trick. Finally, this is the last slide in the last trick of the day. This one is so easy. If you know how to count by 10s, this trick will and easy for you sure. For sure. Examples. 10 times 70 equals 780. Just add a 0 on to the number being multiplied by 10. 2,000 times 10 equals 20,000. The end.
Yay! Bravo! And that's a wrap.